Here's a 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, heated steering wheel, automatic suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.